The NHP series, new from DOOSAN, built for massive metal removal. It's a beast of a horizontal machining center. To get here, we knew it needed to be fast, so it is. 15,000 RPM spindles with insane acceleration and deceleration times, paired with 1G acceleration in X, Y, and Z. ATC times were slashed, keeping the tool in the cut longer. To handle all that speed, we gave the NHP robust castings and pinpoint linear guides. Coolant is fired in all directions. No chip is left behind. Quicker pallet change times turn seconds into dollars. The expanded work area houses this huge productivity, all in a compact layout. This is an HMC with a footprint that fits just right. Say goodbye to wasted time, wasted space, and wasted money. Say hello to the NHP series, legendary horizontal machining centers.